Hi students, this is 10th Maths, Chapter 2, Numbers and Sequences. Now, in this class we are going to see about geometric progression, simply denoted by GP. What is geometric progression? Geometric progression is a sequence in which each term is multiplied by a non-zero fixed number except the first term. That fixed non-zero number is called common ratio. This is general form of GP. A, AR, AR square, AR cube, etc. up to AR power n minus 1. Where A is first term of the geometric sequence. R is common ratio. How to find R? Second term divided by first term. Here, nth term for GP is Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Three consecutive terms should be taken by A by R, A and AR. Then, four consecutive terms are A by R cube, A by R, AR, then AR cube. This like only we should take. Now, geometric series. What is geometric series? The sum of terms of geometric sequences. This geometric series. Sum to n terms of GP is Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. Next, this also sum to n terms of GP. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R when R is less than 1. This is all sum to n terms. Last term given means we should take these two formula. Now sum to infinite terms of GP. That is S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, where A and R first terms are common ratio. Now, from exercise 2.7, question number 1. First subdivision. Which of the following sequences are in GP? Given sequence is 3, 9, 27, 81, etc. We should find whether the given sequence is GP. Yes. First A is 3, R is T2, this is T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. What is formula for finding R? Second term by first term. Second term is 9 divided by 3. Cancel by 3 table. 3 1 times. 3 3s are. So 3. Next T3 by T2. T3 is 27 by T2 is 9. Cancel by 9 table, 9 ones are, 9 3s are. So, here R is 3. T4 by T3 is equal to 81 by 27. Cancel by 27 table, 1 time, 3 times. So, 3. Here, common ratios here. Here R is 3, this R is 3, this R is 3. So, common ratio is here. Therefore, given sequence is GP. In GP. Now, fourth subdivision. 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, etc. So, here also this is first term, second term, third term. R is T2 by T1, that is T2 is 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 divided by this 1 by 3. So first rearrange this 1 by 6. Denominator 1 fraction means put reciprocal for this fraction. So 3 by 1. Now cancel by 3 table. Answer is 1 by 2. Next ratio is T3 by T2. Here T3 is 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 6. This 1 by 12 is numerator. What about denominator? That fraction will be in reciprocal. So 1 time, 2 time. Here also common ratio. Here 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. Therefore given sequence is in GP. Now from exercise 2.7, question number 2. Write the first 3 terms of GP whose first term and the common ratio are given below. A is 6, R is equal to 3. The first 3 terms of GP are A, AR square. Here A is 6, comma A into R, that is 6 into 3. AR square 6 into 3 square. So this is 6 3s are 80. First simplify this bracket. 3 square is 9. 3 3s are 9. 6 comma 18 comma 6 9s are 54. These are the clear 3 terms of GP. Here A is 1000, R is 2 by 5. The 3 terms of GP are A, AR square. Here our A is 1000, comma 1000 into R 2 by 5, comma A is 1000 into R square is 2 by 5 the whole square. 1000. Here cancel by 5 table 1 times, 2 times, this 2 zeros. So 200 into 2, 400. Here first simplify the bracket. 2 square by 5 square, that is 4 by 5 5s are 25. Now cancel by 25 table, 25 1 times, take this 100, 4 25 is 100, tag this 0. Now 1000, comma 400, comma 4 into 40, 4 4s are 60, tag this 0. This is our clear GP for given A and common ratio. Now from exercise 2.7, question number 3. In a GP 729, 243, 81, etc. Find T7. Given one is GP. So here first term is A is 729. Here common ratio is, because given one is GP, T2 by T1 is equal to T2 is 243 divided by T1 is 729. Cancel by 3 table. 8 3s are 24. 1 3s are here. From 6 2 times, 4 times, 3 times. Again cancel by 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 7 3s are here 8 81. Cancel by 27 table 1 time, 3 times. So common ratio is 1 by 3. What is our question? 5 T7. This is nth term. So Tn formula for GP is AR power n minus 1. Here our A is 729. R is 1 by 3. Whole power n minus 1. T7 here n is 7. So T7. Substitute in place of n is 7. So 729 into 1 by 3 whole power 7 minus 1 is 6. So 729 into 1 by 3 power 6. So what is value for 3 power 6? 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 power 6 means this like you should write. Now cancel. Three threes are, 2 threes are, 6 4 81. Now this 3 27. Now 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So cancel this 27, this 3's. So answer is 1. Therefore T7 is 1. Now question number 5. Find the number of terms in the following GP. 4, 8, 16, etc. up to 8192. This sequence is GP. This is A. This is last term. That is nth term. That was your question. Find the number of terms. Here we should find how many number of terms here. So given GP is 4, 8, 16, etc. up to 8192. A is 4. R is T2 by T1 is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. This is last term, that is nth term is 8192. This n only we have to find. What is the nth term for GP? A r power n minus 1 is 8192. Given A is 4, R is 2, 2 power n minus 1. N we don't know, so should write n as it is 8192. Now transfer this 4 to that side. Here multiplication means that side. Transfer 8192 divided by this 4. Cancel by 4 table. 4 1 times. 2 4s are 8. Then take this one. 4 table is not going, so add 0. Now take this 19. 4 4s are 16. Balance 3. 8 4s are 32. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2048. How to find n? So we should write this number as this like base and power. That base should be 2 only. So divide by 2 table. 2048. 2 table is our divisor. 1 time 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again by 2 table. By 2s are 1 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1 take 11. By 2s are 10. Remainder 1 take 12. 6 2s are. Again by 2 table. 1 times. Take this 5. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1 take this 16. 8 2s are. 2 table 6 times. 4 times. 3 times. 4 times. Again 2 table 1 time 6 times. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are. So here how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this number can be written as 2 power 11. It is 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power 11. Now base are equal, therefore powers are equal. Base are equal, powers are equal. That is n minus 1 is equal to 11. So n is equal to this minus 1 goes that side, means 11 plus n is 12. Here 12 terms are present in this geometric sequence. Now from exercise 2.7, question number 6. In a GP, the ninth term is 32,805 and the sixth term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. Nth term formula for GP is Tn equal to A r power n minus 1. For that, we should want A and common ratio r. N only given. N is 12 here. So first we want to find A and R. What are given P? 9. So here nth term for GP is A R power n minus 1. This is a required formula for this sum. Given one is T9 is equal to 32,805, which implies that T9 is this much. That is A R power n is here 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So A R power 8 is equal to 32,812. This is our first equation. Next, sixth term is 1,250. That is T6 is equal to 1,250. That is T6 means use this formula A R power n is here 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. A r power 5 is 1,215. This is our required second equation. Now divide first equation by second equation. First equation is A r power 8 divided by A r power 5. LHS, divide these two LHS and divide these two RHS. Now RHS is 32,805 divided by 1,250. Now this A will cancel. R power 8 divided by R power 5. By base power rule, R power 8, the numerator power is greater than the denominator. So we should subtract the powers. R to the power 8 minus 5 is 3. This is LHS answer. What about RHS? Cancelled by 3 table. 4 3s are 12. No remainder. Take this one. So 3 table is not going. So tag 1 0. Now take this 15. 5 3s are 15. In numerator, take this 3 one time. So no remainder. Take this 2. Not going 3 take. So add 0. Now take 28. 9 3s are 27. Now remainder is 1. Now take this 10. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Now take this 15. 5 3s are 15. Now 5 table is going. 8 5s are 1 5s are 2 5s are 10. Take this 9. 1 5s are remainder 4 43. 8 times remainder 3 7 times. So 2187 divided by 81. 81 table. Now again 3 table is going. 2 3s are 7 3s are 27. Here 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2 9 3s are 27. 3 9s are now 9 table. 3 9s are 9 8s are this 9. One time this one time 27 times. So 27 is R cube equal to 27. R is cube root of 27. 3 cube, that is 3. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Cube root of that 27 is only 3. That is our common ratio. So R is 3. Now what is the question? Find the 12th term. That is T12 is equal to A R power n minus 1. That is A is here. A is. Now substitute. R only we found. Now want to find A. So substitute this R is equal to 3 in second equation. Second equation is A R power 5 is equal to 1215. A we don't know. What is R? 3. So R power 5 means 3 power 5 is equal to 1215. A is equal to this multiplication goes that side means division. 3 power 5 can be written as 1215 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times, 3 1 times, 4 times, 0 5 times, again 3 table, 1 times, so A is 5. Now we know what is R, what is A. Want to find T12. T12 is equal to A R power n minus 1. Our A is 5. R is 3. Power n is 12. So 12 minus 1. 5 into 3 power 12 minus 1 is 11. So 5 into value for 3 power 11 is, so here 3 power 5 is so answer is 5 into 3 to the power 11. So answer is 5 into 3 power 11. Now from exercise 2.7, question number 7, find the 10th term of a G whose 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. R is given. First we have to find A, then find 10th term, T10. Given is R equal to 2, then P8 is equal to 768. Nth term formula? Tn is equal to A R power n minus 1. Therefore, P8 is given means P8 is equal to 768, which implies A we don't know, R is 2 to the power, n is 8. Therefore, 8 minus 1 is 7 is equal to 768. This is given. From this, find the A. A is equal to 768 divided by 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 can be written as 6 into the 4 times. From 4th table 1 times remainder 2. 8 4s are 4th table 6 times. So 1 times remainder 2 24. 6 4s are 24. Here also 4th table 8 4s are 32. Remainder no 9 4s are 36. Remainder 2. 6 4s are 24. So 96 divided by 16. Again 16 table 6 6 are 16 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 3 9. So 96. 16 table 1 time 6 time. So A is 6 here. What we have to find? We find 10th term. See 10 is equal to A R power 10 minus 1 is 9. A is 6. R is 2 power 9. So 6 into this 2 power 9 can be written as 2 power 6 into 2 power 3. 6 plus 3 9. 6 into 2 power 6 is 64 into 2 power 3 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 8. So 64 into 6 8s are 48. Now multiply this two number, you will get answer. 64 into 48. 32 4 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48 plus 3 50. 1 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So 2 7 5 plus 5 0 1 3. So 3072 is T10. 10th term of GP is 3072. Now example 2.44. The product of three consecutive terms of a GP is 343 and their sum is 91 by 3. Find the three terms. The product of three consecutive terms. So let us take the three consecutive terms of GPB. Consecutive terms means A by R, A, R. These are three consecutive terms of GP. What are given? The product of these three terms is equal to 343 and the sum is 91 by 3. Product is equal to 343. Product means A by R into AR is equal to 343. This is by given data. Now this R we cancel. A into A is A power 3 is equal to 343. 343 can be written as base and power. 343 7 table only going. So 4 8 4 7s are 28. Balance 6 63 9 times 9 7s are 49. Again by 7 table 7 7s are. So 7 into 7 into 7, that is A cube is equal to 343 can be written as 7 cube. Therefore A is 7. Now again by given data the sum of three terms is 91 by 3. Sum of consecutive three terms of GP is 91 by 3. The three terms are 1 by 3. Here 3 terms are given. So among that A is common. So remainder 1 by R plus here 1 plus this R is equal to 91 by 3. Now take LCM. A into this 1 plus R, 1 into R into R square divided by R is equal to 91 by 3. We know what is A. A is 7. Substitute here. 7 into 1 plus R square divided by R is equal to 91 by 3. Transfer this 7 to that side. Here product 7. So goes that side means it will go to division. That is 1 plus R square divided by R is equal to 91 divided by 3 already is there into 7. Now cancel by 7 table. 7 1 times in 9 1 times balance 2. 3 7s are 21. So 13 by 3. 1 plus R square divided by R is equal to 13 by 3. By cross product 3 into 1 plus R square. Here 13 into this R. Now multiply. Square is equal to 13R. Now transfer this 13R to this side. Already 3R square plus 3R plus this 3. This term comes this side means 13 minus 13R is equal to 0. Here 3R square 3 plus 3R minus 13R. Subtract and put the greater number sign. So 10R plus this 3 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in terms of R. So factorize 3 into 3 9. Here coefficient of R is minus 10. This is product term. This is sum of two terms. So this number plus this number minus means both the factors are in minus. So 9 ones are 9. So now these are common signs. Add and put the common sign. Therefore minus 10 will come. Here this coefficient of R square is 3. Therefore divide this factor by 3. Here also 3. Cancel by 3 table. 3 3s are. So minus 3 is a factor. Here minus 1 by 3. So this equation can be written as R minus 3 into another factor 3R. This can be written as 3R minus 1 is equal to 0. That is R minus 3 equal to 0 or 3R minus 1 equal to 0. Now R is equal to 3 or 3R is equal to 1. Now R is equal to 1 by 3. Here R is 3 or R is 1 by 3. Now first case, if A is equal to 7, R is equal to 3, the two terms that consecutive 3 terms A by R, AR is equal to A is 7 by this 3. Here A is 7. A into R means 7 into 3s are 21. This is one sequence. Another case. Another case. If A equal to 7, R is equal to 1 by 3. That is GPR A by R, AR. They substitute A is 7 by R is 1 by 3, comma A is 7. This A is 7 into R is 1 by 3. Numerator is one number, denominator is one fraction. So 7 into put reciprocal for this denominator fraction, comma 7 into 1, 7 by 3. Now denominator is 1, so numerator is 3 sevens are 21, comma 7 by 3. This is our required GP. From exercise 2.7, question number 9. In a GP, the product of 3 consecutive terms is 27. And the sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find the 3 terms. What are given? In a GP, the product of 3 consecutive terms is 27. Product is 27. And the sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. So let us take the 3 consecutive terms of GPB. A by R, AR. First given condition is product. So product of 3 terms is equal to 27. That is given. By given data, product of 3 terms is equal to 27. That is A by R into A into AR is equal to 27. Now R get cancelled. A into A is A cube equal to 27. That is A cube equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube. Now powers are equal, therefore base are equal. Therefore A is equal to 3. Again by given data, the sum of the product of 2 terms. The sum of product of 2 terms. So first given condition is by given data, the product of pairs A by R into A. This is first pair plus A into AR plus this first term into last term. A by R into AR. This is meaning for this one. Sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Now this R get cancelled. Remaining terms A into A square by R from first term. Second term A into A square plus A square into R. Here A into A square is equal to 57 by 2. There are 3 terms here. So among this A square is common term. So take it out. A square into remaining terms 1 by R plus here this R plus here 1 is equal to 57 by 2. We know what is A. What is A? 3. So A square is 3 square into here take LCM. 1 plus R into R square plus r into 1 r divided by r is equal to 57 by 2. 3 square is 9 into 1 plus r square whole divided by r is equal to 57 by 2. Transfer this 9 to that side. Here 1 plus r square by r is equal to already 57 by 2 is here. Now this 9 come to denominator. Now cancel by 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Here take this by 1 time, balance to 9 times. So 1 plus r square by r is LHS side. RHS is 19 by 2 into 3 6 by cross product 6 into 1 plus r square is equal to 19 into r 19r. Now remove this bracket. Plus 6r plus 6r square is equal to 19r. Transfer this to this side. 6 plus 6r plus 6r square. This will become minus 19r is equal to 0. Now first write square term 6r square. Next r term is here one r term, here one r term. This is in plus, this is in minus. So subtracted put the greater number sign. 19 minus 6 is 13. So greater number sign is minus. So minus 13r. Constant term is 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of r. So solve this. Multiply these two. This is coefficient of r square and constant term. Multiply 6 into 6 36. Coefficient of r is minus 13. So product of terms 36 is how to write? This number is plus, this number is minus. So both the factors are in minus. 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4 is 30. So factors are 9 and 4. Here coefficient is 6 for r square. So divide these numbers by 6. By 6 by 6. So cancel. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are. So minus 3 by 2. Here 2 2s are. 3 2s are. Minus 2 by 3 are the factors. So r is, how to write that factor form? 2r minus 3 into another factor is 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 2r minus 3 equal to 0 or 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. 2r equal to 3. That is r is equal to 3 by 2. R 3r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2 by 3. So now find the 3 consecutive GP terms. First case when A is 3, when A is equal to 3, R is equal to 3 by 2. Our GP terms are A by R, AR. Substitute the values of A and R. A is 3 divided by R is one fraction. So 3 by 2. Now A is 3 comma 3 into 3 by 2. So now 3 into denominator one fraction means we should write it reciprocal. So reciprocal for 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 comma 3 into this numerator is 3 into 3, so 9 by 2. This fraction 3 3 get cancelled, so first term is 2 comma 3 comma 9 by 2. For case 2, when a is equal to 3, r is equal to this 2 by 2. GP terms are a by r, comma a comma ar. So a is here 3 by r is again only fraction. So 2 by 3, comma a is 3, a into r is 3 into r is 2 by 3. Here 3 3 get cancelled. Here one fraction in denominator. So write reciprocal for this 3 into 3 by 2, comma 3 comma this 2. So now 3 3s are 9 by 2, comma 3 comma 2. This is our required GP. This also our required GP.